In this video, I show you how to check if your computer has been hacked by someone or not. Nowadays, it is so important to protect your computer from hackers. I show you on 3 simple steps. You can use this method for Windows 11 and also you can use this method for Windows 10. It is the same for both Windows 10 and 11. Open your run, press Windows with R. Type here event VWR, click on OK. When you open event, click on Windows Lock. Here we need application and system. These two parts is so important for us. When you click on application, you see information, date and time, source, event ID. It is the same for system. These ID are so important for us. When you scroll down, here we can see any activity we do on system. All log are stored here. Now, how we can find the dangerous ID? It is so easy. When you see somewhere warning, check the ID. I have one list here. I share these IDs on the description. These are the important ID. If hacker hacked your computer, they will do this work like create new account or delete your account. If you see this ID 4720, it means hacker create new account. Or if you see this ID 1102, it means hacker clear all the logged. Now check the warning IDs. If you see this ID inside event, it means your computer is hacked by someone. When you scroll, you will see some warning here. It is the same for application. I will show you how to protect your computer from hacker. Sometimes we have warning from one ID 2 or 3 times. And also you can search about any ID on the Google. Open your browser. You can search like this information about 6155 ID on Windows event. When you search, you can find a lot of results. The second way, open this PC, open C drive, open Windows folder, find here System32, open System32. Here we have a lot of important software like CMD or something else. Here we should find some extra file someone add on your system or our system, but it is hard to find. I will show you a simple way to find the extra file or app. Close this page. On the Windows search, type here setting, open settings, click on privacy and security, click on Windows security. Make sure to update Windows Defender. Click on virus and threat. Scan option. Choose custom scan. Click on scan now. Find System32 on C drive. Click on this PC, drive C, Windows, System32. Select System32, then select folder. The scan will start. If you have some extra file in this folder, the Windows Defender will delete this file. It is no current threat for me. After that, select full scan, then scan your system. It was the second step. Close this page. Click on start. Open task manager. If you see some file is extra here, then click on that file. Click on end task. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, put down on the comment section below. Have a good day.